Oh yeah! Alright guys, welcome back. This video is just a little announcement. I've got some exciting news and I hope you guys will be happy to hear about it. So let's get into the video! Check it out. Alright, well by now a lot of you will sort of have gotten to know me over the time I've been doing these videos. Well, hopefully you have anyway. I think I've gotten to know a lot of you guys fairly well, especially the guys in the Braptown crew. They're like brothers to me, man. Love you guys, hope you're watching. Well, you fucking better be watching, I'll watch your shit. But anyway, I just wanted to make a little announcement. I'm gonna be a dad. Woohoo! Again. So this is number 2. We're gonna have another little girl. Oh dearie me, I'm gonna be severely outnumbered in my household. There's only 2 boys there and that's me and the dog. So when we get this pig, oh yeah, that's another announcement. I'm getting a pig. A proper real pig. That's right. That's right. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, there's the thingy to do it. Yeah, then you would have seen the video I put up of the mummy pig with the little piglets. So yeah, it was actually my wife's idea to get one, so I'm down with that. So we're getting a little piglet too, so 2 new babies are coming, guys. One's a hairy one and hopefully the other one's not hairy, or maybe just a little bit, but anyway, that's weird. So yeah, that'll be cool. I'm gonna try and train the pig to go in the boat and maybe get one of those pet palace things for the back, because I know my wife ain't gonna let me take the baby on the back. So, oh well, it's gonna be exciting. We've been trying for a while, guys, and to be completely open, honest and upfront with you, it's been a very expensive, long road for us. Yeah, so unfortunately we are not in the lucky percentage that can just have a kid like that. We've had to invest a lot of time, heartache and effort into IVF, so I'm sharing that with you guys. Not many people know that unless they're like close to me, so there you go. Wanted to share that with you. But even our first child, she's an IVF baby also, so if anyone out there is going through it, man, I know how hard it is, and I take my hat off to you. You got to be mentally strong to deal with that shit. There's so many ups and downs, but as long as it's an up when you get to the end of that road, man, it is the best fucking feeling ever. So if you are struggling through it, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Hopefully, I pray there is for you guys. So we were lucky enough to have a couple of wins, or we haven't won yet. The baby's due in a few months time, but yeah, I just had to fucking tell yous. I've been keeping it bottled up for too long. No U-turn, let's do a U-turn here. Fuck the police. Alright guys, I better get to work and make some money. So I'm not going to waffle on for too long, guys. Wherever you are in the world, make sure you have a fantastic day, drink a cold beer, and I'll catch you later, eh? See ya!